Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce Service Cloud step by step clearly. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Login button. If you already have a Salesforce account, enter your credentials and proceed. If you do not have an account, click on Try for free to start a trial. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. Select your country and indicate your company size. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Salesforce homepage and log in with your credentials. On the dashboard, navigate to the App Exchange tab. In the App Exchange, search for Service Cloud in the search bar. Click on the Service Cloud listing to view its details. Review the features and benefits to ensure it meets your needs. If you're ready, click the Get It Now button. Choose the appropriate edition according to your business requirements. Follow the prompts to configure your order. Complete the payment information as required. Once your payment is processed, Salesforce will initiate your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your subscription. Log back into your Salesforce account to access Service Cloud. Explore the settings to customize your Service Cloud experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.